This video is part of our series on how to use canned goods. In this case, we are using herb tomato jam. This was something that when I first learned how to can it, I wasn't exactly sure how I would end up using it. So I thought I would share my techniques with you. Triscuits and French bread are both great things to eat the herb tomato jam on. The key with this is to slather on enough of that cream cheese that it gives it the creamy component, and then add your herb tomato jam on top. Same story whether you're using a cracker or bread. This is actually one of my kids' favorite things for me to can out of the tomatoes for them. It's kind of interesting. You'd think it would be one of the sauces. I mean, they do like the pizza sauce, I have to admit. But when it comes to this jam, it's just such a great little treat to add to your meal. And you kind of feel like, you don't feel like you're being as bad because it's made out of tomatoes and it's got all those great spices in it that kind of does that savory sweet together, which is so good.